ridiculous to imagine that Christians of nowadays, they dress the same way, they talk the same way, they sing the same way, they dance the same way. How the unbelievers, people in the world, are behaving. The Bible told us in the Bible that in Antioch was first called disciple Christian because they see their behavior, how they behave. They were in Antioch for a year. They don't have any argument. So therefore, let others see Christ in you. Amen. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ló tọ́ra rẹ̀ jẹ. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ló tọ́ra rẹ̀ jẹ. Wọ́n jẹ́wọ́ pé Jésù lolùgbàlà. Wọ́n gbà kọ́pa tó ń ṣohun gbogbo ní. Ṣùgbọ́n wọn kò lè ṣètò rẹ̀. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ló tọ́ra rẹ̀ jẹ. Ẹlòmíràn àpògòlù sétí, àkósọwọ́ tó bá fẹ́ wọlé Ọlọ́run á bọ̀. Àwa kò sínú àpamọ́wọ́. Bí wọ́n bá ti jáde ìsìn àtúnkò padà. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ló tọ́ra rẹ̀ jẹ. Stop deceiving yourself. Let others see Christ in you. God bless you. Love you.